In this video, I will discuss 15 most asked questions in interview which you must prepare. Also, I have provided many Q&A videos which links are given in the description box. Hi everyone, welcome to Civil Engineering Tutorials. If you are new to my channel, then click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all new videos. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to get all kinds of updates. Now let's get started. So our first question, according to IS 456-2000, what is the minimum thickness of the cover for main reinforcement in a reinforced concrete slab? As per IS 456-2000, the minimum cover for main reinforcement in a slab is 20 mm or the diameter of the main bar, whichever is greater. How does NBC define the permissible deviation in dimensions for a residential building's habitable room as compared to the approved plans? NBC allows a deviation of plus or minus 3% in dimensions for habitable rooms in a residential building compared to the approved plans. Under RERA, what percentage of the project cost is typically required to be deposited in a separate bank account for funding ongoing construction? So the answer is RERA mandates developers to deposit 70% of the project cost in a separate bank account to fund ongoing construction activities. What are the different types of excavation methods commonly used in construction? Common excavation methods include open excavation, trench excavation, basement excavation, and cut and fill. Fifth question. In NBC, what is the recommended minimum height of parapet walls on terraces or balconies to prevent accidental falls? NBC recommended a minimum height of 1.1 meters of parapet walls on terraces or balconies to prevent accidental falls. What is bearing capacity of soil? Bearing capacity is the ability of soil to support the loads applied to it without undergoing excessive settlement. It is a critical factor in foundation design. Can you explain the types of bearing capacity of soil? There are three primary types of bearing capacity. First one, ultimate bearing capacity QU, the maximum pressure a soil can support without failure. Second, allowable bearing capacity QA, the maximum pressure a soil can support without excessive settlement. Third one, safe bearing capacity QS, the maximum pressure a soil can support without shear failure or excessive settlement considering factors of safety. Explain the purpose of sawing and benching in excavation. Sawing and benching are methods to prevent cave-ins and provide stability in excavations. Sawing involves installing supports vertically while benching creates steps or slopes to prevent soil collapse. What are the key considerations when selecting a foundation type for a building? Factors such as soil bearing capacity, building loads, water table level, and local geological conditions influences the choice of foundation type, including shallow and deep foundations. Now 10th question. What is the significance of formwork in concrete construction? Formwork provides the shape and support for freshly poured concrete until it gains sufficient strength to support itself. It ensures accurate dimensions and surface finish. How does the curing process affect the strength of concrete? Proper curing is critical for concrete strength development. It involves maintaining adequate moisture and temperature to allow the hydration process to occur fully, resulting in a strong and durable concrete structure. Differentiate between load bearing and non-load bearing walls. It is very important question and very commonly asked question also. Soaring and benching are methods to prevent cabins and provide stability in excavations. Soaring involves installing supports vertically, while benching creates steps or slopes to prevent soil collapse. What considerations are essential for the layout of electrical wiring in a building? It is also mostly asked questions and very important questions. Question. Electrical wiring layout must consider load distribution, code compliances, safety regulations, and future expansion needs. Explain the purpose of lintels in building construction. Lintels are horizontal structural elements. It is also known as horizontal beams. So lintels are placed over openings such as doors, windows to support the load from the structure above it. It prevents sagging and preserves the overall strength of the building. Describe the purpose of HVAC systems in a building. HVAC systems means heating, ventilation and air conditioning. So HVAC systems control indoor temperature, humidity and air quality to concrete a comfortable and healthy living or working environment. So hope you understand all these questions with answers. So these are 15 most important questions which are frequently asked in interviews. It may be government interview or private. You must prepare this. So hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.